The Fulfillment by Amazon FBA dashboard provides a summarized view of your FBA sales, shipments, inventory, and opportunities. To locate the FBA dashboard, open the Seller Central main menu. Hover over Inventory and click Dashboard. On the main page of the FBA dashboard, you'll see the first section contains your key performance indicators. These 4 cards, sales ordered, units ordered, orders, and FBA fees, summarize your sales and show a year-over-year comparison as well as any incurred fees. You can also filter these metrics by date. Click the arrow above the sales ordered card for the drop-down menu to appear. Then choose a date range or set a customized range by selecting Custom. In the Plan Inventory card below your Key Performance Indicators, you'll find the Inventory Performance Index, or IPI score. This score is based on how well you drive sales and manage on-hand inventory. It's important to keep an eye on your IPI score, as falling below the threshold may limit your storage volume. If you click View Details, you'll be directed to the IPI page. Also, in the Plan Inventory card, Top Influencing Factors is shown on the right and highlights actions you can take to improve your IPI score. Hover over each link to learn more. The Shipments card provides data about your shipment statuses over the past 120 days. It breaks down your shipments into 4 categories: working shipments, in-transit shipments, at fulfillment center, and closed shipments. If you want to see more detail, click View All Shipments and you'll be directed to the Shipping Queue page. Shipment problems, such as shipments missing their tracking IDs, are also flagged here. The Estimated Aged Inventory Surcharge card helps you prevent aged inventory surcharge fees. It shows you how many units of your inventory are within a certain age range. This helps you clearly see how many units are in danger of going over the threshold and incurring an aged inventory surcharge fee. Finally, the Optimize Inventory card shows you SKUs that we recommend you restock due to low supply or manage due to excess inventory. You'll also see what products qualify for recommended actions, such as creating an outlet deal, creating a removal order, advertising a listing, and restocking inventory. Click the link to navigate to a filtered view of the FBA inventory page where you'll find the specific SKUs to optimize. At the top of the page, you can find the FBA navigation menu. The inventory menu has links to manage and optimize your FBA inventory with tools for planning demand, monitoring performance, and updating your product and inventory listings. The next menu, Shipments, has links to help you manage the delivery of your inventory and understand shipping performance. On the Opportunities page, we analyze your catalog and recommend which ASINs to enroll in FBA. You can switch between viewing only recommended products for FBA enrollment or view all the products from your catalog. The last menu option, Analytics, helps you visualize your sales data. You can select from 3 different tabs to help you analyze sales trends, filter by date and SKU for performance metrics, and gain insights to top-selling SKUs. If you need more information, visit the FBA Dashboard Help page for a variety of links that will guide you through your most critical inventory management pages.